Python or R, which is better for predictive modeling? It's a question that sparks lively debate among data scientists and analytics professionals. Both languages are powerful tools in the realm of data analysis and predictive modeling, but they each come with their own unique strengths and weaknesses. R is a language designed specifically for statistics and data analysis. Its community is large and active, providing a wealth of resources, particularly for learning linear regression. This means that if you're looking to dive deep into statistical analysis, R might be your best bet. However, R does have its drawbacks. It tends to be slower and more memory-intensive than Python, which can limit its efficiency in large-scale projects. That's where Python shines. As a general-purpose language, Python has a faster and more efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for developing predictive analytics applications. Its community may be smaller than ours, but it is growing rapidly, and the breadth of Python's libraries and frameworks is hard to beat. But Python isn't perfect either. Despite its efficiency, it has a more limited set of visualization tools compared to R, which could be a hurdle if you're looking to create intricate data visualizations. So, which one should you choose, Python or R? The answer isn't as clear-cut as one might hope. The decision largely depends on your goals and preferences. If you're more interested in deep statistical analysis and superior visualization tools, R may be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking to develop efficient predictive analytics applications and value a comprehensive set of libraries and frameworks, Python might be the way to go. In conclusion, both Python and R are powerful tools for predictive modeling. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the optimal choice depends on the specific needs and goals of the data scientist. Remember, the best tool is the one that best suits your needs and preferences, so don't be afraid to experiment with both Python and R to find which works best for you.